Hello students, welcome to TS Quick Learn. And the next bit in exercise 3.1 is, and this is the new chapter that is playing with numbers. So first bit is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and then 6. So we'll go one by one. We'll check how the divisibility rules work for 2, 3 and 6. So the first question is 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. So the divisibility rule for 2 is, a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. So in this number 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9, when we check the divisibility rule, it is not satisfying the condition that 9 is not there in that 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So we can directly say that the whole number, that 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9 is not divisible by 2. Coming to the next divisibility rule is 3. So for the divisibility rule of 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. That means, what is meant by sum? If we add all the digits of a number, then that number should be divisible by 3. That means that number should be there in the 3 table. It should completely divisible by 3. So if we add 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9, we get 24. And in 3 table, we get 3 8s are 24. That means it is completely divisible. So we can say that 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9 is divisible by 3. And coming to the next divisibility rule, that is divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. Here they have given that it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So this particular number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. So we can directly say that it is not divisible by 6. Coming to the next divisibility rule, coming to the next bit, and the next bit is 197232. We'll check the divisibility by 2. If you want, you can expand the divisibility rules with the definitions, but here I have given with a small easier way. So divisibility by 2, 197232, the ones place is 2. So according to the divisibility rule, if the ones place is having either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. So that is satisfying this condition. So we can say now 197232 is divisible by 2. And divisibility by 3, 197232, what is the divisibility rule for 3? It is, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. If we add all these digits, 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, then we get 24. And 24 is completely divisible by 3. So 3 8s are 24. It is divisible by 3. And divisibility by 6. The number 197232 is divisible by 2 and 3. Here if we check, it is divisible by 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. And the next bit is 972132, divisibility by 2. If we check here, the ones place digit is 2, which is satisfying the condition 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any of the numbers. So it is, the end number is ending with 2, that means ones place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If we add all these digits, we are getting 24, and 3 8s are 24, which is divisible by 3. And divisibility by 6. The number 972132 is divisible by 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. Coming to the next bit, 1790184. Divisibility by 2 is, according to the formula, according to the definition, we say that 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, right? Here the ones place digit is 4, which is divisible by 2. And divisibility by 3, sum of the digits. If we add the digits, we get 30, and in 3 table we'll get 30. 3 tens are 30. That means it is completely divisible by 3. So the number 1790184 is divisible by 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. Coming to the next bit, 312792, divisibility by 2. If we check that in ones place it is 2, that means according to the definition it should be like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so it is divisible by 2. If we add the digits, we'll get 24, so this is also divisible by 3, so we can say that it is also divisible by 6. Next bit is 80052, divisibility by 2. It is ending with 2, so it is satisfying the definition. The definition is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It is satisfying the definition, so it is divisible by 2 and divisibility by 3. If we add this number, we are not getting the number which is divisible by 3. That means 20 is not divisible by 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 6 because it is satisfying the condition of divisibility rule for 2, but it is not satisfying divisibility by 3. So we can say that 80052 is not divisible by 6. And the next bit is 4335, divisibility by 2. Here in this case 4335, ones place is 5, which is not satisfying either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It is not falling under this condition, so it is not divisible by 2. If we do the sum, we are getting 15, and in 3 table we get 3 5s of 15, which is divisible by 3. And divisibility by 6, it is not satisfying the condition for divisibility by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. Next bit is 726352, divisibility by 2. If we check in ones place, it is 2, so it is divisible by 2. And divisibility by 3, if we add all the digits, we get 25, which is not divisible by 3. So here this is not satisfying one of the conditions, that it is not divisible by 3. So we can say that the number 726352 is not divisible by 6.